Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use MAC addresses in Wi-Fi. First, understand that a Media Access Control, or MAC, address is a unique hardware identifier assigned to your device's network interface card. It's like a digital fingerprint for your computer or phone on a network. This address is crucial for how devices communicate locally, ensuring data reaches the correct recipient. We'll explore its practical applications in Wi-Fi settings. One common use of MAC addresses in Wi-Fi is for filtering. This security feature lets you specify which devices are permitted to connect to your network. By creating a whitelist, only devices with approved MAC addresses can join, effectively blocking unknown ones. While not foolproof, it adds a useful initial barrier against unauthorized access, making your home Wi-Fi a bit more secure. Modern operating systems often employ random MAC addresses to enhance user privacy. When your device scans for Wi-Fi networks, it might use a different, randomized MAC address each time. This prevents network operators from tracking your device's movements across various locations. However, for consistent access to networks using MAC filtering, you might need to disable this randomization for that specific Wi-Fi connection. To implement MAC filtering or manage network access, you'll need to find your device's MAC address. On most operating systems, you can locate it within your network settings, usually under Wi-Fi or network adapter details. It appears as a series of 12 hexadecimal characters, often separated by colons or hyphens. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Knowing your MAC address gives you more control over your Wi-Fi environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.